I used to get a taxi when I couldn't drive my car to work due to the Beijing traffic restriction based on even an odd-numbered license plates.
It bothers me a lot when I can't drive my own car to work. I'm so glad that Ford launched this app because it's so convenient and useful.
It's not very economic and I got easily stressed out on the way to work and my days ends up ruined.
It has its calculator in the app to record the credits you share the card and how you are doing in terms of reducing emissions.
Since I became a user of car sharing, it means I save some money and makes my journey to work a lot more enjoyable.
For example, if you share your car once, you get 1 credit. Once your credit achieves a certain number, you get a privilege of not being restricted by the Beijing traffic restriction for a certain period.
I even made a few good friends using this thing. I benefit from this app and it's pretty nice knowing I can do something eco-friendly too.
Of course, it's not just about having driving privilege. I also help other people who need a ride to work and we even became good friends.